Hi, Scott Dillon at MarineMax here in Louisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brand new 2026 Sea Ray SPX 210. All right, so tan interior, SeaDek floor. I looked earlier. This very well may be the most optioned 21 SPX in our national inventory right now. This thing is absolutely loaded, which is awesome for us. It's got all the goodies. Water sports tower, big Bimini top. It's got the new Simrad screen, which is the new wide screen, which is great. 4.5 liter, 250 horsepower. The boat performs incredibly well. Flip-flop backrest, removable seat here. That way, if you want to, you can remove that seat and use this as a rear-facing seat, which is fantastic. In-floor drains, in-floor storage. I mean, the boat's got it all. Fully upholstered bow with anchor locker up in the front. Full lighting package and also the upgraded stereo with the sub and the amps. So if you got any questions about this or any other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.